is none other than Kevin Papalan. Hi, Kevin. Ay, ang guwapo nito. Hi, Kevin. Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 19 years old.
Oh, he's 19 daw. So, anong gagawin mo ngayon sa live audition?
Kakanta po.
Kakanta ka. Meron ka bang inspiration sa kakantahin mo?
Actually, no.
Ayun o.
But I want to be a singer.
You wanna be a singer? Okay, let us be inspired. So, let's hear it now from Kevin Papalan.
More than you can take, but just stronger than you know. Got to keep up now, the sun will soon be shining. You gotta face the clouds to find the silver lining. I'll see dreams of So, sa tingin niyo ba Kevin can make it to the semi-final? Yes! Ang dami mong fans, Kevin. Maraming salamat. Abangan niyo po ang resulta sa TFC. Okay.